Imagine stepping into a classroom, not with uncertainty, but with confidence and clarity. What's the secret? The right teacher toolkit, a collection of essentials that turns challenges into opportunities for growth. A robust teacher toolkit empowers educators to inspire, manage, and adapt. At its core, a toolkit should begin with flexible lesson plans, thoughtfully crafted yet adaptable for diverse learners and unexpected twists. Next, effective classroom management strategies like positive reinforcement techniques and clear routines help create a stable and respectful environment where every student can thrive. Don't underestimate the importance of assessment tools. Quick checks for understanding, rubrics, and formative evaluations ensure every student's progress is visible and actionable. Technology is another pillar. Digital platforms for collaboration, engaging apps, and seamless communication tools connect teachers, students, and families, expanding learning far beyond the classroom walls. Add to this a repertoire of inspiring resources. Picture books that spark imagination, manipulatives for hands-on learning, and creative prompts for student self-expression. Above all, a teacher's toolkit should include self-care strategies and professional development resources. Reflective journals, mindfulness activities, and peer support groups sustain teacher well-being, fueling long-term passion and effectiveness. Armed with these essentials, teachers don't just present material, they create a dynamic environment where students discover their potential. Teaching isn't about having all the answers, but having the right tools to guide each journey. Build your toolkit, empower your practice, and remember, within every toolkit lies the power to change lives, one lesson at a time.